Hi, this is my dad. I'm Aiden. This is MountainTesla. So I've had this Model 3 2025 Highland for about a year now. And today we have a sponsor from 3W for all new floor mats, including the frunk and the trunk.
Shout out to 3W Auto Life for sending us these. It is a sponsored video, but we're gonna give you the real deal here and let you guys know what we think about them.
So here's the Tesla ones that not come with the car, but you can buy these from Tesla. On the bottoms, these Velcro pieces started to come off. It's a lot worse on this one.
It's like the glue kind of gave out.
Yeah.
Okay guys, there you go. There's the passenger from Tesla, the 3W Auto Life passenger, driver 3W Auto Life, and those are the Tesla ones. I see a huge difference.
Yeah.
What do you think?
3W Auto Life looks way more professional, especially with like the, what do you call that, aluminum?
It's an aluminum step plate.
A lot more grip too.
Yeah, I'm seeing that too. So let's get a closer look. We're gonna look at like build quality, thickness of the rubber, things like that.
Really strong floor mat, the aluminum.
I like that.
That's
Still got
nice.
grip on it too.
And it looks like it goes up higher than that one. Even has clips on the bottom, see? Like clips, but
Nice. Let's see how this fits. First time, guys.
Close-up of the fit, guys, goes way up to the top.
So you're getting maximum protection here with these. Looking really nice. The little tabs are fitting under the rail. Look at that. Completely seamless there. And fits the hump perfectly. Man, those are nice. I'm really liking those. No smell at all. Again, I don't know how they do it, but there's absolutely no rubber smell. It's even matching the gray along the top and this trim. Okay, so this particular kit that they sent us has 6 pieces. So we're getting both the fronts, the rear, an entire piece for, what would you call that? Just the storage area back here?
yeah.
And the frunk and
The whole back of the trunk.
the whole trunk down underneath there. So we're going to show all that to you guys. 6 pieces with this set. Way more protection, wouldn't you
Yeah,
say?
it goes way higher.
I mean, look at the difference, guys. Hold this. A huge difference in protection
it's even
here.
longer.
Yeah, way better. Yeah, it'll fit perfectly, guys, after it sits for a few too. Tucks up in there.
Really?
Yeah, it tucks all the way up to the top, guys. You're getting maximum protection there. Look at that. What a nice set. These are so nice. Okay, here is the rear mat. Look at the difference here. You tell us what you think about it.
Well, there's a
I'll
very
hold
big
it.
quality difference. Seems more modern, more finished.
Yeah.
It has tabs.
Oh yeah, I see the tabs now. They're kind of hidden back in there. Those little
This
tabs.
looks like it wraps around this center console instead of that one. It wraps around everywhere.
Yeah, way better. Way better, guys. Don't waste your money on the Tesla ones. Just go right to the 3W Auto Life. You'll like them a lot more.
These look easier to clean too.
Like those tabs keeping everything tucked under right there. Yeah, see, everything just pushes down nice and neat. Wow.
Yeah,
What do you think?
it's very nice. It goes way farther back. Because the seat's gonna obviously be farther back.
Yeah.
A lot better grip.
Yeah, those look sharp.
They don't smell. I didn't think about that. When we got the Tesla ones, they smelled really bad.
Of course, you guys know where I live up here on this dirt road, so these are really nice to protect the car. They're very stylish, and you can see for yourself. Really, they do look nice. We're gonna go for the frunk now. Let's put this one in.
I like how they have their logos on.
Oh man, like a glove, huh? They
Yeah,
don't mess around with how things fit.
it's nice. Perfectly fits here, so it doesn't get in the way of the
Little
hook.
tow hook. It's nice.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because he walked on it.
Gizmo walks on everything, doesn't he?
He's a grasshopper.
Yeah. That's all right. This one's for under the trunk. Yeah, where the fuel tank would be, huh? Look at all that storage down there. Another perfect fit.
Yeah.
There you go. Protects everything down there in case you spill something. Time for the big mat to protect the entire back trunk. And it's got a gizmo doggy print on there for you.
Oh, that fits well.
And look at, they give you some little handle here to grab.
You think?
Oh, it fits through the hole. Look at that. Smart. We thought of it. And they put an easy access with a seam for you guys to still open the bottom access without having to remove the mat. And that is very thoughtful. That's great.
Yeah. Wow.
And there's your Gizzy print for you, Aiden. Take with you at all times. Look at that fit. Tight in every corner. That's nice. Impressive. I like it.
Me too. Wow.
Okay, guys, so this was our first real impression of these mats. I have to tell you, 3W Autolife has sponsored us on the Cybertruck, the Model Y Juniper, and now our Model 3 Highland. There is a noticeable difference in the Model 3 Highland though. There are little tabs and things that allow these mats to fit very tight under the seat rails, in the back. I mean, everywhere. Every one of these mats fits tighter, and it's interesting how they've designed that. So we're going to give you guys the final look through real quick on all the mats. We do really like these mats, and we don't just say that because they sponsor these videos. I want to show you the best video I can of them so you guys can come to that decision on your own. And what do you think, Aiden? Just initial install.
They're very easy to put in. They didn't scratch up my back seats. The rear ones, you have to push them down really hard because you couldn't just slide them in.
From the Tesla?
Yeah.
They would scratch the back of the seats. You'd clean up the seats nice and go put the mats in, and then it would just leave marks.
Mm-hmm.
These didn't do that.
Well, these didn't even touch the back of the seat because they just slid under nice.
Nice.
And they just look a lot more clean, especially in the trunk.
Yeah.
Because finally I have something back there to save the carpet.
Yeah, and it looks sharp. I like it.
Much easier to vacuum since there's not as many gaps now.
Cool. Heck yeah. I'm gonna put my dirty feet on this mat for the first time. I'll be the first one to do it.
Like, my foot isn't sliding at all. It used to slide down. It's staying.
Nice. Thanks for coming along on this one. Definitely check out the 3W Autolife mats in whatever vehicle you have, guys. They are nice. They're custom fit. You're going to enjoy them a lot more than the OEM. And make sure you get your discounts below. There's some pretty big discounts for MountainTesla. Once again, thanks for coming along. Hit the like button, subscribe, guys. It really helps our small channel. Appreciate all of you. We do these short little videos to help the channel, help it grow, and we want to show you guys cool accessories for your vehicles. All right, we'll see you all in the next one.